When holding an event, a live instructor-led course, or training module in LearnBrite's 3D platform, you can share your computer screen on a media board. You can use a media board to show your entire screen, a single window, or a tab in an internet browser. First, select the media board through which you would like to share your screen. Select Share Screen from the menu that appears and then choose what to share. A dialog box will appear. You can choose an entire screen, a particular window on your screen, or a particular tab on your web browser. Screen sharing is supported on most modern desktop browsers, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. For the entire screen and browser tab selections, you can share the audio of those sources by selecting the checkbox provided. After you make your selection, use the Broadcast Settings dialog box to adjust. Capture settings, system audio, and media board details. When you are finished, select Start to start sharing your screen. To stop, click the media board and choose Stop Sharing, or use the Stop button at the top of your screen.